Hi everyone, welcome back to my Line and Watch series. Today, let's create a cozy hand-drawn monthly calendar together. First, we will use a pencil and a ruler to map out the grid. Then I will set the ruler aside. I like to freehand the lines with my brown pen to give it a warm and handmade feel. The best part is the watercolor. We will keep it light and simple, add a touch of fresh watercolor instead of heavy layering, and focus on the simple washes. This project is perfect for beginners, no matter when you start your calendar. I hope this session brings you a moment of peace. Hey, let's get started. And first I started with my pencil. This is a drawing for the calendar grid. So it depends on how many you want. Like I do the Monday to Sunday, so that's the 7. And I using the pencil to define the outer frame. So also depends on how bigger for your paper size. And I just make like a 4 point. And then I use my ruler to divide the rows. And join like 8 vertical lines and some horizontal line. If you're not sure how to do it, you might can do some research online, find some sample to join the grid. So there has many sample. And also there is a simple way to think about how to calculate the grid size. Use the ruler. So you can see I put some dot to emphasize, but sometimes still a bit confused. So I just recommend keep simple and do the pencil first is good to emphasize your point, and then outline with my waterproof pen. And I like my pen brown color, very soft, and I like handmade. But I still using my ruler to emphasize the point. Yeah, you can see I calculate how many point. And the hand drawing is not really straight. And also the same way at the horizontal line. Sometimes maybe made a mistake, but doesn't matter. And some vertical line as well. Maybe sometime need to adjust how wider. And then I write the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday. And I keep a simple way drawing, but I try to emphasize the line, so I do the double line for them, make them more stand out. I recommend the first time you might can do the simple, like maybe sometimes you want to give more space for writing, but today we might keep simple. So I just write down the number. When I'm doing this one, I just open my computer calendar, so that's make sure I'm not write the wrong number. And sometimes maybe we easy to make a mistake, so I using some like a masking tape. Okay, so in this step I almost finished this number, and in February just 28, but this just suggest like if you're doing another month, it's the same way. And I like doing that way to remember what things I have done for this month. And like February, I would like to have some green leaves in my this beautiful summertime. And I choose some different leaves shape and in different angle. Some is left to the right side, some is upright. Okay, make the different position. And then I started with the watercolor. Today this paper is 300 and the brush is number 6. First I start with the yellow green, and this is very light wash, so it's beginner friendly if you never use the watercolor. And I try to do the very light wash. The way is not exactly follow the grade, just a bit over this size, make they feel more relaxed. And this color I still leave some white space for breathing. And then I use the permanent green number 2. This is much darker. And I also keep my brushy stroke. And then this is yellow lemon for the number. Because my pen is pretty thicker, so even I put the color on the top, still can see the number. This color is for some like a note. If you want to emphasize what going to do for this month, I just give the side of line for the dot. And this another tiny circle. This maybe emphasize the weather or special things, and with the lemon yellow. Then I go back and emphasize my outline of the grade. That is a good way to emphasize the shape. And then I do some leaves pattern. These leaves I recommend you can use the broken line and no need a lot of detail, like for the events. And also you can do some adjustment, like adding more color, yellow for bright something. Okay, and in this step we finished the painting, and we can quickly review what we have done today. Is about the drawing and also use a very limited color. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have other idea, please share with me, and see you next time.